feel like it's this weather. It's got us just hanging out.
You want to grab that back in?
Thank you, sir. You got it now. All right.
Cool.
Thank you much. Stay dry. Good morning. I'm Phil.
I'm Brian.
Welcome to Polyhedral Apiary. We got our nukes today. They're in the back of the car here, and we are getting ready to set them out. We've got some overcast weather today, so we're going to take our time. We're going to suit up a little bit and take the bees and set them out, and then set out their new homes. And then once the weather clears over a little bit, we'll come back and actually put them in the hives. But for now, we figured we'd film us suiting up and getting things ready. So, yeah.
See what we got.
Yeah, I felt so sorry for them dealing with all the rain down there, trying to put bees in cars.
Picked up the nukes right as it was thunderstorming and pouring down rain. I think we just got them in the car right before the really bad rain hit.
The huge downpour hit. And the only reason we're doing this is just precautionary, because there's a few on the outside of the nukes at the moment, and we don't want them to be too mad at us.
Yeah.
Oh, gloves down.
I know.
One of the most important things is not to lift by the lid here, because that'll just take the top right off. So we're going to have to lift by the bottom and get them out. Hey, lady.
Stay one at a time.
How do you want to do it? One at a time?
Sure.
Or,
Nah, I'll grab a second one.
okay. And
Bee boxes, yay!
bee boxes. At this point, we set up the hives beside the nukes, got them assembled, and then opened up the entrances to the nuke so the bees could get out and fly a vent, and went in and put together some sugar water. Brian is getting the smoker out while I am finishing suiting up. Do you want the lighter?
Yes, that will help with the lighting.
That will help with the lighting?
Yes.
Okay.
I packed a bunch in here just to carry it down, but we'll.
Okay.
If you want to get it going.
Is that enough to get it going?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll stuff this in there, and then we can sneak some sage in.
Sounds good.
I've got a hive tool handy to punch it down.
Oh yeah. And since we are starting with this first box,
All right.
and then these are the frames that we waxed up last time.
Yes.
I think we're gonna spray just a little bit of the sugar water. If I can figure out how this sprayer works. Is was that it?
Oh, maybe?
Yep.
All right.
Probably not too heavy. Oh, it might
no.
clip apart.
Oh, no.
So we may not do that.
Let's see.
What we're going to do is work with 4 frames in here at the moment. We're going to take the ones out of the nuke and put them in here. And then we'll put in a 5th frame and slide it all together at that point. Already like, hey, that smells good.
Yep.
And then when you're doing your boxes, I will gladly do the pumping.
Sure.
All right.
I'll keep that over here.
So we are going to, got my hive tool handy. We're going to go ahead and give
Still
these
smoking.
girls a little bit of smoke. And then, oh, already settling down in the new hive. May have to crack this. I'm not sure how well this lid is going to come off. Oh, relatively easily, so that's good. Well, I thought.
There we go. There we go.
Oh, there we go. Hello, ladies. I'm going to put them here at the hive entrance. And these are the frames that we have to deal with. I'm going to give the guys... This one doesn't look all that busy, does it?
Yeah, they're moving around, but they're pretty chill.
They're pretty chill. So we're going to give them just a little bit of smoke across the bow. And then we are going to start pulling frames and putting frames in the new hive.
Okay.
Okay. Making sure that the propolis is not holding our frames down. And then we'll go ahead and pull this first frame. Lady's not real happy with me at the moment. Okay. So they have actually some honey on this side, like all honey. And I guess that is bee pollen on that side. You don't happen to see a queen in there anywhere, do you?
I do not.
I think I do.
I do not.
Okay. Now, she may not be easy to find, so we don't see any brood on this frame, though.
Yeah, that one's mostly honeys.
It's pretty heavy. Okay. So it looks like some of their apivar is still on top of these. Probably.
You want to scrape some of that off and toss it in this bucket?
Yeah. Try to get the ladies moving a little bit. And then we are going to scrape some of this off gently, but gently. Well, I might be actually disturbing a couple brood. Hard to tell. Okay. Let's see, I think this one is loose enough for me to pull it up. How about not in the hand? Okay, so we are looking for brood. Do you see any brood down in those open cells? I can't quite get it turned around.
Looks like maybe bee bread or... I don't
I think you're right. I don't see any brood. So it's worrying me a little bit because I think we should have brood. It looks like they may have a queen supercell on here actually. So
Okay.
these may be trying to supercell. Again, I don't see any brood. I see honey cells. I don't see a queen.
I see some really white stuff in this side.
Little
Can't
white
tell.
dot.
No, it's like white goo.
Right, see anybody over here?
No,
Except that one that just
just
came
that
out. Oh, we do have some cap brood on this one. Good. Still not seeing a queen. She might.
No, that's a drone. Switch sides?
Oh, some cap brood on this side too.
Okay. Another drone?
So far, no luck finding a queen.
Not yet.
Hopefully close you up and y'all will be good. We're gonna add in the 5th frame. So we're gonna slide things, I guess, this way. Is it raining?
I think the wind just blew a bunch of water off the
okay.
trees.
Now we will put in the 5th frame. Maybe. There we go. Now, ladies, we're going to introduce you to what is called an inner cover. As this will sit right in here. And then we are going to introduce you to a medium on top of that and provide you with a little sugar water. Don't think I've seen anybody use the entrance yet, but it's fine.
I'll get it in a sec.
Yeah. All right.
Nice.
And we have our first hived hive.
Whoop whoop.
Yay. So hopefully they will figure it all out.
Do you leave the nuke box open?
I'm going to leave it open until we're done with all of them, and then we will go from there.
That's fair. Oh yeah, we're gonna spray these suckers down.
Yeah.
The bees are confused. They're like, there's smoke, but sugar water.
Right? Sugar
We
water
love
smoke.
Sugar water. All right.
First thing I recommend is putting a little smoke at the
That's a little
hive
smoke,
entrance.
yeah.
That Apivar stuff or whatever they had in there is nasty.
Yeah.
All right. Doop. So this is our second hive. Putting a little bit of smoke on the guys. Oh, you have it at like 3.7 times. That's awesome. All right.
I'll
And
start
just-
trying to see if I can chunk some of this.
That is a mite reduction plan. Because varroa mites are a horrible pest, and it was some stuff that they were doing to try to help and reduce them. Turn the smoker just a little bit.
Thanks.
That looks like a drone sitting right there.
Come here. Come on, dude.
He's like, I don't know. I'm just one to watch football. That's right. Watching football.
Watch it. All right. First frame looks free.
Looks free. Yep. All right. We got some.
Ooh,
Looks like honey in the corner.
No, that's a drone.
Oh.
In the middle towards the bottom.
In the middle toward.
Because he's all by himself.
Yeah, he's huge. He's a drone.
How about up at the
Queen's
top?
a little bit longer. I don't think so.
No, those are 2 drones.
Yep. So we may not have actually found the queen in the other one, but I thought we did. But
I thought we did, but
hard to say. Hard to say. We'll see how they're doing in a week. Wow. Smoker's serious today.
yeah, it's really going now. Yeah.
Making them easier. Oh, lots of honey on this one.
Yeah, this is much heavier.
How's the honey on the other side?
Filling up the corner. There's a lot started. The corner's capped.
Okay. If you flip it over, you'll see on this side there's a lot of honey and nectar going on.
Yeah.
I do think it's flow season, so.
Got some loose ladies.
Okay, I see more nectar on this side. Oh, I see the queen. No, I think that's another drone. Man, there's a lot of drones on this one. There's a drone up there. There's a drone down here. Good bit of honey and nectar again. We might have to get an expert out to help us find the queen.
No, I think that's probably a drone.
Yeah, I've spotted quite a number of drones on this one that keep me... There you go. Want me to smoke them a little bit?
You get hit, this top little.
Okay.
Oh, starting to get more of the sage. That's very... Ooh, lots more honey on this side.
Yeah. And then there's pollen on this side over here. And there looks like they're further drawing some comb on this side as well. Right there? Yeah. Yeah, watch your fingers, just in general.
Yeah. No, I'm not.
I did not see a queen.
I did not see a queen.
No, look, boiling bees. But we have successfully moved them. Oh, that one didn't get sprayed.
I don't think so.
Okay. But we do have the extra wax on them, so...
Yep. Should be okay.
Boy, they are noisy, though.
Yeah, they are ready to be closed up.
I don't think mine were that noisy. All right, buddy boys, back down in. Glad it has that bee space right there on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you're going to turn it upside down and let it do its vacuum thing. Awesome.
You supposed to cover up the hole?
Yeah, you can. I left mine undone because we're trying two different methods. She's like, what?
2 done.
2 down, 1 to go. Because this will be our third and final hive. Hopefully we'll actually see a queen. Given the inexperience that we are, we could just be missing her. Or she could not be there. We don't really know at this point. And as he sets those out, I'm just gonna. And our third and final hive. Oh. Ladies, ladies, ladies.
Thank you.
Give us some room to work. We appreciate y'all's enthusiasm.
Oh, looks like lots of honey.
Lots
of honey.
Yeah. Yeah. The other side, this side's not capped yet. There's a lot of nectar, a little bit of pollen, but the other side looked like it was almost all capped. I don't know where you got the grass from.
I don't know where that.
Frames come out nice and easy.
Yep.
Okay. See a drone for sure.
Looks, yeah, brood for sure.
Oh yeah? Awesome.
Yeah,
Is it capped brood or uncapped?
both.
Nice. So she might actually be working this particular board then.
It's not the bottom corner, is it?
Here? That guy? No. Not that one either.
No, didn't think so.
Yeah, I see the caps. That's good. That's good looking cap actually there.
It looks like there's
that.
larvae
Thank
right
you,
in around those.
Yep. Yep, there are.
Cool.
So good. Definitely busy. Looks like this is bridge comb, not queen
Yeah,
cap.
honey and nectar for sure.
Yeah, I definitely see pollen, nectar, and honey here. Don't see a queen.
Oh yeah, I see all the pollen. That's cool.
Yeah. Doesn't mean she's not there. They did have that bridge. Okay, we got some cat brood on this side. Probably older.
I
Probably.
think this is cat brood as well.
Yeah, it's brown.
Yeah.
It's not the golden
Yeah,
color,
yeah.
but yeah. So I think that means they're older capped brood. I still am not seeing the queen.
Ooh.
Did you find her?
No, I think that's a drone. That's a drone.
He's like, no, I just like saying ooh.
Well, some of the drones have darker rear ends, and some of them are still lighter. I guess that's probably
Yeah.
just an age thing.
Yeah, maybe. Yep, that's definitely capped brood, so that's good. Still not seeing a queen though.
Ooh. Yep.
You found her?
Queen. Middle.
Right there.
Right towards me.
Right there.
Got it.
Yep.
Yep.
It's right there.
Oh, I see her.
She the queen.
She is the queen bee.
Yeah.
Does not look like a drone, but the drones can make you think that they're queens. I don't know what's up with that. Maybe they are all queens. Those special drones.
All right, ladies. We got your queen all situated.
Yep, now y'all need to go to her.
Yum nom nom nom.
All right, so we've got a lot of capped honey over here.
And a lot of nectar and pollen getting collected over here.
Awesome. Do you want a taste of honey?
I do not. I don't have a. Go for it. Phil's stealing my honey.
All right. They are all in
Excellent.
their new home. I wouldn't worry about the ones on your gloves.
All right.
I mean, you can, but I wouldn't. Coming in low, coming in low. Probably going to smush a bee or two. That's just how it happens. Now
Bam.
we have hives. And we have them flying around their entrances and checking things out. Hopefully, with any luck, they will zero in on leaving the other stuff. We're probably going to bring some gloves out to take out the acid stuff that has been applied to these. and then hopefully they will all go in their hives once all that is done. So we do think we found the queen in the first hive dead. So we're not happy about that, but there's not much we can do except see if they can requeen it. So we're gonna call our nuke supplier and see what we can do from there. Thanks for joining us in the bee yard today. I think at least the one hive looks happy and healthy over there, and everybody's all excited for their new home. We'll see what we can't do to get the other ones excited too. Okay?
Thanks, everybody.
All right. Bye.